Hi everyone, this is Corey here, and this is a next episode of my devlog. I'm working on Venusville, and this will be just more chilling out, listening some music and working on my game. Kind of a bizarre. Let me show you a little bit. So now I'm working on make everything selectable. And I made some stuff under the platforms because everybody was recommending or told it's too thin, fragile. I probably will extend them all the way to the edge and above. Yeah, I have some bugs with the manufacturing. So yes, I was working with the selection mechanics. So now I can nicely highlight and select different things and I get information with them. The machines are not selectable yet. If I start to build stuff. I don't know why, sometimes it's not. Now they need the resource. Anything what we build. All the different resources. I don't have really animations yet for the carrying and stuff. And they sometimes not just stays there where the last chop was. But one of the problem is not using up the old resource when I create something new. No, okay. One of the guys. Oh, he just finished building it. Yeah, let's build something else. We need poor. Oh, is that just suicided? I think one of the guys just jumped on. I have a little bug with the detection of the where you can place stuff and not. It's blocking it. Let's check that. Check that today. It's actually working. It's just the detector not switching. It's probably just blocked by something else. Equipment, this stuff will be inside of the buildings later. I'm just testing them. Why it's not using up the old one, but I will check that later. What is this one missing? Oh, I know. This one needs that. Oh. To each other. Let's see. Anyway, I want to make the result small, and I'm not sure why it's not in the middle of it. So, okay, actually adjust that. Sphere processor. So set 1.4. So that in future versions will be the right place. And then this one. Oops. Next one. It's weird, right? Is that not even on the floor? Well, it is on the floor. So it should. Okay, let's try that and see if that works if I restart this. Yeah, I visited the starting resources. So. Okay. First one's okay. Why food? How food got here? Yeah, I'm still working on the machines. Manufacture a project input slot is carbon. Okay. Yeah, I know. That's. I just started to work, so I'm not even auto-generating them. It's just spawning them properly. I just put one in. Test out. The rest should work. This should work. Is anybody working inside? Is that the guy there? Just, is he working there? From there? It's kind of funny. How he got there? That's what the side looks like. Okay. Let's see working. Let's see. No, it doesn't look like. I think he was just building that building. Then, there is someone else came to actually work. Okay, and this placed the right place. Okay, that's went to the right level. I should actually turn this one. That's really just testing. I don't care about that much. Okay, it would be nice to see the progress here in the bar. Maybe I could do that now. how is it progressing? I wait for the third one popping up. Of course, if I click on it, I can see the progress. The stats. Yeah, it's there, 49.50. The production. So I want to add the new one called production here, and then I can use that bar.
COVID-19 and flu vaccines are available for pregnant women and children with health conditions or weakened immune systems. If you're pregnant, you're at higher risk of getting seriously ill from
what's
COVID-19
this? Some kind
or
of
flu. If you're vaccinated,
Sorry,
catch COVID-19.
I didn't expect advertisements pops up middle of my. So how I do that then? How I handle a smuffle like that? I will probably pull down the music, and then we wait a little bit, and then we see if there is a music is back on or not. I used to have Spotify premium, but I haven't used forever for streaming, so I don't use it anymore. More use Apple or what's that Amazon Music and stuff. So I haven't used this for a while, and I didn't realize I have ads even on my own list. Okay, music is back. I will take out. Okay, no. I could actually set it higher, the number, and then I don't have to wait that much. I think it's helped to have the things under. I have to make it larger to have a nice shape. And also I want to indicate the front and the back of the airship. Oh yeah, that worked nice. Good. Now they need to take those, bring it here, and produce stuff from that. Okay. So let me do the production. It's quickly. Okay. Turn off this because let's keep this. I don't want that on the stream. No one interested in that. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this, but I actually want to anyway rework a little bit how the project system works. I'm not explaining much at the moment, but if you will have questions, then let me know. It's more just I needed a little bit flow and work a little bit on this. Okay, so I need the UI. And the HUD. And building details. I'm using the UI toolkit, you know. I have a bunch of different Oh, 5. Yeah. I don't need to add that yet to the columns, but it's something. Yes, but that's the from the landing platform. Landing permissions. Okay, so I need to make a new one. This one is just for production. So I need a start production. Okay, let's duplicate this. So let's say start. Anything, just a new icon. Yeah. I don't really have a good one for production, so I think I will design one later. It's oh yeah, maybe this. Oh yeah, I did this. Progress icon. Yeah, I think this is good for production for now. Yeah, I made one. I can't remember now. Okay. So that will be the production one. Now let's set this to start production. And permissions, rocket progress. All fluency, structural integrity. So this is the new one. And I think it would not show up, especially if I turn it off. Start production, just... I don't know if I have to do... edit a little bit the CSS there, or TSS or whatever the Unity code, USS. Yeah, Enterprise. Okay, so it should not turn up yet. Yeah. Let's see if it turns up. It's fine. Didn't want it to turn up yet. Set it. Now if I go to the prefabs of the building prefabs and I select our building and I go to the stats. We have production. It's good. Nope. Go to the UI, building tasks. Here are the ones. So platform, volume. All the data is separated out. So kind of like a database for all the different levels. Most of them is in scriptable objects, but not this. This is really just a view data, but also it is data, so it's separated out from the app. So I don't have to go change code most of the time to do something like this. However, I just add the production one, so probably I need to add the line or so. But to turn them on and off, I don't need to go into the code. Atmos miner, now Atmos processor. Building detail attributes, buoyancy and power, yes, but we need a stat, which is the... Oh. I don't have it. Oh yeah, because I didn't create the production, I just add the production. So yeah, I have to. Okay, let's go into this UI. Okay, building details. If that's building details start, where's that coming from? Ah, here. It's just enum. Production, but then I also add maintenance. How I spell that? Moment. Because for the growing pods, food growing pods, and so we'll need maintenance. Okay. Now I can select. And set these two. Almost this is at the moment this is the only building which can generate stuff. Everywhere else it will be the different internal structures, aka furniture, how I nicknamed them, where people can working, sleeping.
If you're vaccinated
Oops.
and catch COVID-19,
yeah, that's already demonetized because that sentence. I really have to do that, but I really want to just chill with music and work today. I'll wait a little bit more before I turn it back on. Oh well, I will probably subscribe to it again, the Pro. Yeah, okay, so I have the maintenance, but I also have to add it to at least once. So at the moment, this is the only building but used for direct production. The other ones are using gas or electricity production where you don't need to have a person working. But this one for creating carbon and chemicals later. At the moment, I'm happy it's working with carbon. Yes, okay, so code. Back to code. I think it's okay now. You have the music back. So, let's see the permissions. I don't need everything, I just need one section like the full one. I need to optimize this code. It's just for the view. So okay, so if it's the production. So it's production then. For the, I think it's also called production, the stat itself. Yes. Then the stat Did I call it production? I hope. Yeah, I could, because some of these are the same. I could. It's production progress, but I could take this out for a separate function or method. Because these are the same technically, but some of them will be different. So don't do it like this. I need to refactor it. Or I test it. If it works, then I will refactor this. It's getting really ugly and unnecessary. Now we should see the production level. The engineer. No, it's not showing up. That's the wrong. Okay, I don't care. Why is he standing there? It's working. Weird. Yeah, he's producing. Why he went there as well? Now two of them are still. Wrong animation. It's happening sometimes. So, I still don't see the... See? Oh, it's maintenance and I want production. Let's try that again. And it's correct as well, because I set it to 88%, so it's much quicker. I sees the results. It's absolutely accident. It was on 88%. Why he is going to stand there and then somebody else coming to work? Okay. That one is interesting. It would be nice to see this one as well. I actually want to add. Okay. Produced one and producing. Okay, I have this bug. Not updating properly. See? If I click on it, then updates, otherwise it's not updating. Okay, let's check why is that happened. That was not like that. That's a new bug, what just happened. Okay, let's first break this out to a method here. Update bar. So for example, it's a simple percentage bar. I need this.
Ugh, I never liked her anyway.
It's clearly
Sorry about the odds. I have to work out something about that. So what I need to do is really pass the class and plus the building detail stat. Okay, so wait, building detail start is a local one. Oh yeah, okay. So building detail start, but the building detail start is it's just enum. So building detail start is one of the parameters. Where is my new function? Here. So building detail start. Building detail start. And let's just code it. Fine. And then stat type. Technically, that's 2 is very similar, but not all cases. Stat type, and then class, a string class. Class name. Okay. And then if I not stream, I would fix this today. So it's good I did. This makes the code more tidy. Oh, okay. Let's call it different than class. Well, no, it's okay. Class name. Should be fine. So now, if I want to update bar, and I just pop in these 3 values. And then the string of the class name. Yeah. And now if I technically can't delete it, but first let's test if it still works. If it still works, then it's good. Hello, viewer. How are you today? Oh, I'm not signed in. Okay. Okay, I'm in theory I can chat. Okay, already left. That's fine. Right, so if I there is error. Something I looked up. Active building data doesn't exist in the current context. Where is that? Oh, okay. I have to pass that to 226. So 226 here. Active building data. Okay. I actually don't want to pause that. Okay, so what I do, I move this, I remove that. That was silly of me. We add that back, remove this, remove the if from inside, because I don't want the call at all the old function if it's not necessary. It's like last. Come on. Okay, so I just put the update bar inside. Now it should work. And then I can go rampage and shorten the whole thing. No, is that music or advert? I don't know when is the next advert coming. Yeah, now it should still work. Why is that on 88? I think I was testing something and then it's stuck like that. Just stuff popping up sometimes. Okay, so I have still have the bar. I don't have anyone working. Just that guy who is like to stand here and hiding in the back, but he's not really working. I'm not exactly sure what he's doing, but I don't care at the moment. So if I click on this, select that, and then we see. Oh no, just here. I wanted to change the stats back to 0. Stats to 0. Okay, something. Oh, okay. What? It went for 2. Oh yeah, it's still have the. I still have the bug of. It's not updating. Okay, so let's fix that too. But now I can.
A career in law?
No, I don't. That was a choice long time ago to not follow something like that. Okay, so let's simplify this. So this one is structural integrity, and the stat is structural integrity.
Come see how the world
Still
could be.
that's annoying, but I will not fix that right now. Sorry. Okay. Balloon pressure. Buoyancy. And that's balloon pressure, and then I don't need this. Then the full. Then music, just chilling. We're working on this visual stuff. Oh wait, I may move some important stuff. No, just checking. That's percentage. Get value as percentage. It's not a percentage. It's not a percentage. Ah no. Percentage. Plus percentage. And then here. What I'm doing here. It's the same thing. I'm pretty sure this is the same thing. Okay. If not, then I will fix. But I think it is. This is it's just calculate the percentage. Since that I had the oh. I need to get the get percentage. The reason is for the get percentage instead of the value. Because not all of them goes to 1 to 100. Like the reason it was changed because yes. Yeah. So I need to have that there. Yeah, volume pressure, all of them is percentage. So we need the repetitions. And the type is progress. Well, progress could be used for the production as well. A stat, and then this one is different because this one is yeah, so let's just show percentage. This one. It's not a bar, so we don't need to update the bar. Everything should still work. Except the another bug where if I click it's not working. Right, I wanted to do this just for a short one. So work maybe another 15 minutes. Okay. For the kids coming home. Yeah, see the guy went in. Yeah, and it's working. Where is the box on this? Okay, now let's see why is that not updating when it should. So let's see. I want a stat change. So, okay, update UI on stat change. So if a stat is changed, then call the update UI. Let's check the entity ID against the entity type building. and then call update UI. So why is this one not triggering? It's so simple. Oops. No, I don't want to do this. Shut up that. That's hilarious. Okay. And that previously was worked, so some point accidentally was typed over or something. Okay. So now, if the guy starts to work on, I should be able to see. Yeah, that's better. I see nicely working. Meantime, let's build that. Then let's I'll do the platform, and I want to show you something. Please let me know in the comments. What do you think about actually? Where is that? I was experimenting to add something like a body of for the city. Oh yeah. And now the starship is coming. So I was experimenting to add something like that. But then I opted for only make the platforms a little bit thicker. Maybe later on you will able to kind of decorate it to look like more like that. But at the moment it's just a placeholder to show the idea. If I would build platforms on the side, it wouldn't extend. So that was the idea, to actually build a kind of a Zeppelin kind of button for it. Well, let me know in the comments, what do you think? It's coming. This one looks like, oh, it's nicely. Oh, can I click on this? No. Ah, okay. The icon missing. Yeah, I don't think I have the icons here. I didn't create the ones for the 15. Okay, I will cheat because I want the ship coming quicker. So if I click on this pod, I get the stats of it. Let's cheat and then set. Oh, 600 seconds. Oh, we are sinking like crazy. Already 45 kilometer. Okay, let's fix that quickly. That's a 2 more. Or that's in the. I can't see. Okay, that's a 2 more. No, where are you going? Okay, so they are suiciding. Yes, sometimes that happens.
It's time for a 30-second break.
Okay. I think they was aiming here, but some reason they went there. But I will not find that bug right now. I just restarted. Then they will build it properly. The only thing is just we lost our progress on the starship. Because now that one is starting again. So I will adjust that in a moment. 3.3 atmospheres. That's quite large stress on the platforms. And 142 Celsius not helping either. Well, later on you will need special equipment to get out in that kind of temperatures than just walking around like that. But at the moment that's not. Okay, let me cheat. I'm very close to the point when when first very simple demo of this will be ready, so you will be able to produce stuff. Like all the production chains will work. Okay, all this selection highlight was added. So that was new. Okay, we are going up now, getting out from the deep of the atmosphere, so the stress should be lowering soon. Especially because this thing is very heavy. Well, and this one? What is the hold up? Where are you going? Looks like nowhere. Yeah. I think soon we are out of the clouds. I can see better. Okay, let me speed that up. I said that already. The stats. So let's set it 577, and then in a few seconds it will be arriving. The ship will arrive. You can actually manage the balloons now. The size. Oh, it's here. And then we have new people. No. Oh, it didn't spawn the people. It spawned one. It's randomized how many colonists arrives. But only one? No, there is more. There is more. I see. 1, 2, 3. So a biologist, a worker, and the engineer. I don't see more. Cool. All right, we are out of the clouds. 50 kilometers. That start to be reasonable. It's kind of slowing down, but I don't know why. Would be nice if I show what is needed. What carbon is doing here? That's the wrong thing. Yeah, somewhere something is bugged up because they are bringing the wrong type of materials, which is weird. Yeah. Well. Oh, this one has no, a simple platform have progress. Why? kind of progress is that? That shouldn't be. Yeah, everywhere the progress popped up. Let me check why. That one let's fix. I think it's just the UI is on as a default or something like that. Or wait, maybe, or when I updated this, structural balloon pressure, fuel, rocket landing, and this production. If contains production, then do the production. So it's not look like the code, has it? But it's maybe just a it looks like default off. That's weird. Okay, then let's see the settings. I didn't do any changes, but need to be saved. Come on. Let me see. Prefabs, buildings. So I don't know, platforms or anything else. Come on. Stats. Oh, it's not the stats part. Yeah, it's don't have the right stats. Is other ones popping? No, just this one popping up unnecessarily. So volume pressure full. So this one, I know it's fine. Oh, I'm just not turning it off. You see, it's fine. It's not there, but when I go there and then come back, then it stays on. Okay. So probably when I added it, I just didn't put on the reset elements as well. Okay. So this was the production. So now it should work now. I just want to get back to streaming and doing more videos. And that's the reason I said, like, okay, let's quickly jump in and then start the trend up again. Because lately I got so busy with so many things in life, I couldn't make videos, and I hated that. I really want to make not just streams but proper videos more. So I definitely I said to myself, okay, just do it. So I had a free hour now, and then I quickly jumped in. Okay, so I can click on the people. Yeah. I can't click on this guy for some reason. I think it's just something else related to this element is blocking my click. Yeah, something is in the way. A collider or something there. Let me see what it's. Is there? If I see the manufacturer. Oh, he's in the slot. I think he's in the slot. That's interesting. What is the slot? Oh, it's jobs. That's interacting with the person. He goes into the job slot, but that shouldn't block my mouse click. Interesting. Ah, he finished here and went in. Why they they bring random stuff? I think what is happening is this one not registers properly, and or it's not selecting properly the required resource, or the resource ID is 0 when it's people slot ID, that's fine, but the resource ID says 20 and 20. That's curious, because then oh yeah, I can't see the ID of the resource when I click on it, and that would be very, 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 very useful. Yeah, I can't click to resource inside the slot. So maybe I just thought that because that would be super useful for me to debug stuff. Resource UI. No. Resource details UI. What I need. Quickly do that and then. Okay. Get human readable. Okay, let's do this. And then here is the entity ID. So I know the ID of the resource when I click on it, so it's easier to look up for now. That will be not relevant for you guys when you play with the game, but it is very useful now, development time, to have that ID there. So when I click on something, like a resource, then I know the ID. Yeah, that's so useful for me now. So when he brings a wrong kind of material there, then I will know. Okay, he's definitely started the working. Don't have the animation some reason. I kind of broke that. Produced one. And then is he just chilling because nothing else to do? Now I have to add the loitering controller. So in case there is nothing to do, they start to just walk randomly around. Because then it will be easier to see if he's actually working or not. Because he's in the slot. Can't click on it. The same with those. It's not. I don't know why. In theory, the raycast should ignore anything else than the jobs shouldn't be in the way. So this one is jobs, and then the resource is in jobs, and then this is jobs as well. So I know the jobs as used to be the default, but not anymore because I don't click on those. They just use it to target locations what need to be occupied. What I'm looking for? I'm looking for the mouse manager and the click manager. So level Oh, jobs. People mask is jobs. That's why. That's why. People don't have their own. I just reuse the jobs. So I have to change that. That's why. Okay. If I remove jobs from here and there is a separate one for people, then I will be able to click on them. Which is a problem at the moment because I think I have only one collider on it. And that's the jobs one. I maybe could change that to people and then make sure. Is there one for people? So I can separate this out. I don't have one for people, just I had for jobs. Okay, let's add that. People. All right, and then let me see if they change this to people, and then probably nothing works anymore. I don't need to change. No, just this object. I think the rest of them is. Don't need to. Oh, okay. Job detect. That's old. I don't need that. So I changed the biologist, right? Oops. Not really the most used person at the moment. Okay. And the same. Let's change this people. Only this object, job detector. That's very odd because I'm not using the job system anymore. I renamed it to, or the new one is called project system. Yeah, I don't need that. And then this one to people. Okay, no, just this object, and then let's make sure people can okay, most of this I don't need. Level, yes. Oh, well, this is only for clicking. So I don't care about any of that. Not even that because it's not using the collider. But yeah, all right. No, obstacles maybe we can leave. And then slots and jobs. Crumble resource. At the moment I don't want it. I really, this is for just clicking. I'm not sure if I need the slots. Let's just turn everything off and I just do the jobs and people. I may have to do later on slots. I'll leave slots in. I may not need to. Let me see. If it's still working, or I broke now the whole thing. Okay. Oh, they're still going. Still going to the back of the building. And he started to work, so works. But I doubt I can click on it now. Yeah, I can click on it now. So let's fix that. And so instead of jobs, people mask is people. No, not jobs and people, just people. And then I will be able to click resources and other things as well, hopefully. And then I will be happy with it for today, if that works. So I can click that, I can click the person, I can click the building, and then will you come here to work, please? I don't know why he goes to the back. Where is that collider? Where is the collider on that? No, it's the building atmosphere processor. Ah, okay. I may have to move that more in because the pathfinder, yeah, it's too much on the wall. That's the reason it's going just behind a building, not in the building. Okay, what happened here? Why is this one not? That's jobs, that's fine. Oh. Is this all jobs? Yeah, because that's the drop-off point for a job, a task, technically. Okay, why this is not in use? Okay, let me fix just one thing and then. So that collider inside, which is the people slot for working. I want to actually add more. Like more people can work in here. Okay. I will later add more interior for that, or actually I was thinking to change that to be dome-like, like the dome, like a half dome there, and then the buildings. Okay, nah, he went from the front. Okay, you see, it was just the positioning, and then he's working now, and it's nicely progress. Why no one coming here to work? Yeah, I don't know. That broke. I do have some carbon laying around, I think. Yeah. Yes, here. It's a carbon with ID 0. Maybe that's why it's freaking out, because it's the ID starts from 0. I had some issues on one of the place where if there was a randomly put down item which was not handled by the normal system, like I just placed in a resource or some building with a ID 0 and the generator generated one, then I had 2 of them with the same ID, and they didn't really like that at all. Oh, tiles. Did I fix the tiles? Stat stuff. No, that should be fine. Oh, 6.8 Celsius, 0.39 atmosphere, well above the clouds. Yeah, ignore that. That's just a test. That's fear. Ah, okay, nicely generating. The idea is later, if more people working in the building, then it's produced quicker. And also, I want to add one more where you can select what is it producing. Is it producing chemicals? Is it producing carbon or metals later when you get there? All right, I think today was a nice restart of the streaming. The next one possibly, I don't know tomorrow. It really depends on the schedule. If not tomorrow, then I will schedule it so it will be visible. If not, then definitely I want to do Monday. And then I also working on a video. Just I don't want to promise it before I actually finish the script. It will be a very, very, very good. It's all about the update function. I don't want to say more yet, but definitely something what we were to check out. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and then see you next time. Bye.